What noise does a walrus make? What about a baby seal? In a tree?
Wind.
What about a snail? And a giraffe?
I forgot what it makes.
An elephant. And the chicken?
Every time.
What about a duck?
Ladder.
And a baby kitty?
Yes.
What noise does Paxton make?
It's me, Mario. Look at me, I'm a man. Don't do it. He tried. I'll tell you to sip a straw.
Oh,
What sound does a straw make?
Beth, what sound does a car make? Hey, Beth.
Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
It's a win.
Who is this? Who is this?
It's mystery. What sound 7-Eleven's make?
What happens when you steal from a 7-Eleven? Call the police!
Hey, and no bother to give Michael any milk before he started. You guys are jerks.
Okay. What sound does Beth make when she wakes up in the morning?
Oh, God! Because she's not pregnant. Kidding.
I was talking about you.
Oh! Whoa, Magnus, I'm not kidding! Oh! Never mind. Cut all that.
Hey, Beth, what sound does a lesbian make? Wow, it's amazing that you know this.
I'm assuming. I'm making a scientific guess.
Okay, well, make a scientific guess about what an egg sound makes. That's horrible.
And it breaks.
My name is Lazarus, and I have been born into this world to devour your souls. Down in the eggshells.
I feel like a picture of all of this happening.
They took I am Lazarus.
Everything.
What about a dinosaur?
Oh, God. What about a dodo bird?
A dodo bird.
Okay.
And
You know what sound Paxton makes?
fuck you.
A Paxton goes.
No, a Paxton goes. I tried to sip a straw.
And that's what Paxton goes.
Yeah, retarded.
Oh, are you serious?
Sure.
Oh my God. Yes. No,
Do not give it to her. Don't give it to her. Don't give it to her. No. No. No.
come on.
No.
That.
No cigarettes for Beth.
I didn't.
Okay?
You know I fucking smoke.
I don't care.
God damn.
I don't want you to.
Okay, let's continue with this.
Okay,
Wait, I got
what sound does a panda make?
sound does a flower make?
I'm a flower. And then it goes back to the knife.
Oh, I got a good one. What sound does nothing make? Sound does a
Shh, you can't hear me. I don't exist.
I don't know how to do this. What does it make? What does it stick? A stick? Oh, stick 'em.
sound does a lighter make?
That's what I was thinking. What about a cigarette?
Get on again, please.
Do it again! Do it again!
I don't even remember how I okay, how
Woo, camera!
okay, it goes
sound does Alan make?
I have a dick and I like to use it.
Are you even sure he has a dick? I mean, seriously.
Look for the taint.
I know he doesn't have balls for that matter.
There's nothing else.
Because, you know, if he had,
How long is this?
if he had a 5 minutes and 23 seconds.
Going.
Bring
10. What kind of David make? David Cuervo? I don't want to know your name. I just want bing, bing, bing. I don't want a relationship. I just want bing, bing, bing. I don't want to meet your mom. I just want bing, bing, bing. Holy shit. We need to make more noises.
What sound does a tapestry make?
What?
A tapestry. Oh, I mean tapestry.
Tapestry. I'm a tapestry.
I'm very alone, I'm pretty, and I probably have naked people on me and fruits and stuff. I'm an
I have half of the world on me.
You know what? I figured out what a walrus does. Not only does it go, it goes,
What sound does a swamp donkey make?
A what? Oh, whoa.
A what?
A what?
Donkey.
A what?
Oh my god. That's what we used to call Carrie all the time.
Wait, what is that? That was a nice face. You're like, El Alien. Paxton. Shit.
Don't put me up.
Beth is upside down.
Hey.
A clown goes, I hate my job. I hate you. I hate food. I hate my life.
Not little children. That's.
No.
Invisible. Oh God!
Well then I can. Okay, I can
You
do this.
can't do it until, and you can't switch until you make a sound. So what sound does a mine make?
What sound?
I made a noise.
What sound does the water retaining sea cow make?
Blah 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 blah.
Blah blah H2O blah blah blah.
What does your mom sound like when she's not on medication? What do I sound like when I'm not on medication? That's basically it, because I'm not all the time, because I'm not on medication.
Taylor doesn't have medication.
Taylor's always like,
You're like,
Just my eye. Actually, it was the shadow of the camera, but...
oh, okay, whatever. I have black holes for eyes. What sound does an HEV make?
Heb, heb, heb.
What's that, a lamppost?
a lamppost? When it flickers, it goes,
What about a kangaroo and then monkey?
Kangaroo goes,
And a monkey goes,
and that's what a monkey does. You don't see monkey climb? Because I had a tree every time. I climbed a tree in a rope stand, and I got to the top of it, and she was like, get down in the tree!
what about a monkey having sex? What about Beth? What about Beth and Sally having sex?
I'm kidding.
Watch it be the same as the monkey.
Oh, God. This better go on MySpace.
All 9 minutes and 18 seconds of it.
That's a lot. Let's stop at 10.
Okay.
So my last words are, dear MySpace, fuck you mom's nose holes. Yours holes, vice versa. Can't see because it's dark, bitch.
Damn you and your darkness. It's dark! Any last words? I totally missed that. Do that again. Do it again. Any last words?
Yeah.
If you could see that. Shut up!